How do you use Grok in your X posts? So let me click on post on my X. Then let me say maybe you're typing whatever you're typing. Let me try to paste this. Let me just do maybe I'm posting a message about what I do on the services that I offer. I design websites, do content creation, AI videos for TikTok and YouTube. All right, something like that. And I may not really have time to write all this message in a cool way. I can just try to click on this icon under under this pop-up. There is that Grok, okay, Grok icon. So I can click on it. Grok can tell me, do you want to generate an image for this post, or you can enhance? So let me try to enhance your post. So here down you see like it says I design websites, create content, and produces videos for if you really don't feel this, you can try to refresh again to get a different version of what they have given you. I design websites, produce AI videos. It's kind of cool, but let me just do a refresh again and see. I design websites, create content. Okay, let me try to do another refresh. So you can always kind of improve what you write. Depending on what you write, you can always use Grok within your posts like that. If you love this, you can just say insert as post. So it can really have that. I design website and create content, including AI videos for TikTok and YouTube. It kind of does proofreading for you instead of really sounding unprofessional on X, especially if you kind of maybe want to come out, professional. So Group can always kind of improve your post. So this is when you want to use Group in your post. You're going to see how you can use maybe when you're replying, maybe you're doing other stuff. Okay. So if you want an image, maybe to use here, you can just easily go to that icon. You can say generate an image, and Grok is going to actually do for you several images that you can kind of use along that side. Okay, so something like that. I'm seeing can even make a video for you. Okay, I feel let me choose this, and you can just post. All right, so that's how you can use Grok in your X when you're doing post. So let's go when you want to do maybe a reply. Let me really look at something. Maybe let me see what's trending here. In my region, I'm seeing a theta. Let me click on this. Okay, I'm trying to see how I can try to reply to. Okay, let's see this. Let me click on this. Okay, this MF is worthless. Another season. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, Pep is the greatest coach of his generation. So let me try to reply to this and tell AI to kind of help me with this. Okay. So yeah, Pep is undeniably the greatest coach of this generation. So let me try to, click on Grok and enhance my post. Okay. You can, if you find your reply is kind of proofread and it's better than what you have written, you can always go with that. Also, sometimes you can try to refresh to get better, approach to what you're trying to reply. Okay, if you find something really cool, you can try to just say inside as a post, then you can reply. Okay. Also, you can access Grok in your X by just clicking on Grok here on your left side. Then you can ask it whatever you want to ask it. Though in this process, when you produce content, you have to copy it, then you go to your profile and you post it. So sometimes, depends on what is easier for you. Sometimes people are in the middle of a post, want to clean up. So there you have to use the group within the posts or the replies. But if you want to kind of type something here, then you copy, I recommend you can use this section if you want to really do something big. Write for me about write for me about traveling to South Africa. Okay, what you wear. So you can always use this site also to create information that you can easily. So let me kind of click on go. You can create that content from here, and then you copy it, then you post it. Okay, so sometimes people just want to create the information within a post. So in that case, you can always use Grok within the post. But the post, remember, it can't really create all that a lot of information. So if you need a lot of information, you can do something like that. Okay. Yeah. So that's it. If you're interested in more of videos about Grok and how to use Grok, how to do this and this with Grok, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video, and bye bye. Okay.